Hi everybody, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Today I'm going to do a quick Dutch pour. I have a 10 by 20 canvas. I just put my white down. I'm just gonna spread that out very quickly. So if you're new here, please subscribe and like, and let me know what you think. I've had some comments, especially on the last video, that people couldn't hear me. I'm not really sure why that is, because when I play it back, I hear it just fine. I know I do have a soft-spoken voice, so I am going to try to speak up, and I put my microphone a little closer to my mouth, and hopefully that will help. So I don't know, but let me know in the comments what you think, and maybe I'll start doing, voiceover, if that makes a difference. I don't know, I've never done it, so we'll see. I have a bunch of clumps in my white. So this is just Artist Loft Flow acrylic that I mixed with Floetrol and water. A big piece of something in there. So that's all that is. All my paints are mixed with Floetrol and water. I do have a video showing how I mix my paint, so if you're interested in that, I will link it. Colors I'm going to use, pop some bubbles first. Put a little gas in my torch. Alright, so I'm going to do my style Dutch pour where I just blow it out with my mouth. So I'm going to use Liquitex Light Blue Violet, Arteza Electric Plum Iridescent, Blick Fluorescent Purple, some Liquitex Basics Bright Aqua Green, Prussian Blue, and this is an AC Moore paint. I can't get these anymore. And also a Color Shift Purple by Folk Art. And probably will put in my gold, Deco Art 24 karat gold. So when I do my, sorry, there's something in there. All right. So when I do my Dutch pours, honestly, I think I was doing these before the Dutch pour, but they're just blowouts. Puddle, you make a puddle and you blow it out with your mouth. I have a bunch of videos on that too. I will link those for you. So I think I'm gonna go down the center. Something a little different. So this is the Color Shift Purple, the Prussian Blue, and let's do the Arteza Electric Plum, Liquitex Bright Aqua Green. I don't know how that one's gonna look in there, but we'll see. This is the Light Blue Violet, and I wanted to use a little of this Violet Electric. Violet with iridescent medium in it, and that's all the color, and then a little gold. So, and then I just blow it out with my mouth. start again, do another one over here. Don't really remember the order, but it doesn't matter. Okay. Don't have much of that left. And a little gold. Want it to go out that far. Okay. And start again. So I hope everybody's doing well out there. Some crazy times we are in, that's for sure. Right. Okay. And that's pretty much it. I think this looks really pretty, actually. I like just going up the center, straight up the center like that. So I might soften the edges a little bit with the straw. So I'll just take my straw. All right, I think I'm gonna leave it because I like this. All right, so that was a quick one. I'm just gonna torch it a little bit. Pop some bubbles. I just wanted to go more over the edge here. There. That's better. All right, so let me know in the comments what you think, and if you still can't hear me, I'll start doing voiceovers. Just give me your thoughts on that. I'd rather not, because at least when I'm doing it, I'm talking, but I know that sometimes it's hard to hear me. So, but hopefully, I don't know. Like I said, it's on my end, it's fine. It's pretty loud, actually. All right. Well, hope you like this video. And again, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you again soon with another video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.